Just yesterday in the afternoon, we saw a Cooper's hawk, and he had just taken down yellow-shafted northern flicker. Not sure that he quite killed it with the attack, because you'll see in some of these videos that he continued to stomp on the carcass. Kind of gruesome, but it was amazing to see this right in our own backyard. Some beautiful pictures against the snow. He was not alarmed at anything or anyone, but did seem to be watching for potential competitors. And he finally decided to
murder in our backyard.
Take his quarry elsewhere.
There he is, looking at him. Oh, he's trying to carry it off.